In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla Spotify not working. So let's get started. So first of all, if you have any issues regarding Spotify and Tesla, all you have to do is go ahead and search Spotify community, okay? And then you can click on the first link, all right? And then you can just go into help and well, you could search the issue you're facing and hope that another person has asked that before, or you could go ahead and log in and re-ask or ask a new kind of issue that you're facing, and perhaps the Spotify team could help you with that, okay? And I do have fixes that I'll be speaking in this video, the most common fixes and their issue fixes. So let's get started. So, what are the most common problems? Okay. The first most common problem would be that Spotify won't load or keeps buffering. Another one would be that it randomly logs you out and won't let you sign back in, or music won't play even though everything looks connected, or skipping songs take forever or fails completely. Now, why does this happen? Most of the time, the problems comes down to one of the three things, okay? Connectivity issues. If your Tesla isn't getting a strong internet connection, Spotify may struggle to load or play music. Software glitches. Tesla's frequent updates sometimes introduce bugs that affect Spotify's performance. Count or authentication issues. If your premium subscription isn't recognized or Tesla logs you out unexpectedly, you may need to re-authenticate your account. Now, how to fix Tesla Spotify issues? First, check your internet connection. Since Spotify in your Tesla relies on internet connection, make sure you have a stable signal. If you're on Tesla Premium connectivity, check that your LTE signal is strong. If you're using Wi-Fi, ensure its connectivity properly. Okay, a weak connection can cause slow loading or buffering issues. The next fix is to refresh Spotify in the Tesla app. Sometimes Spotify just needs a quick reset in your Tesla screen. Try this. Go to Apps, Spotify, tap the profile icon in the top right, log out and log back in. This can refresh the connection and solve many login or playback issues. The third fix is to reboot your Tesla's touchscreen. If Spotify is still acting up, a soft reset can help. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and reboots. This won't erase anything but can clear up small software glitches affecting Spotify. The fourth fix is to check for Tesla software updates. If the problem started after a recent Tesla update, it could be a bug. Go to Controls, Software to see if there's a new update available. Installing the latest versions can sometimes resolve Spotify related issues. Lastly, re-authenticate your Spotify account. If Tesla keeps logging you out or won't recognize your premium subscription, try this. Log out of Spotify in your Tesla on a separate device, open Spotify on a web browser, go to account settings, apps, and remove Tesla's access. Now go back to your Tesla and log into Spotify again. This forces Tesla to request new credentials, which can fix login related issues. So that'll be it for today. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.